Leslie ar Caerfyrddin I gyfeiriad Bailey. Wel, chwaraewyr y Drenewydd yn apelio'n dair ar y swyddogion. Oedd na drosedd yn fan hyn gan Luke Bowen ar Bailey. Hanbury ar tafliad hir, ond nôl y daw hi. Rushton a Leslie yn cyfuno'n bert. Ethan Jones ar yr asgell bella. Yn torri mewn. Ac yn ergydio! Roddidsi di giro, a postyn yn dod i'r adw I Caerfyrddin. O'r ergyd yma gan Ethan Jones. Digon o le gan Kenton ar yr asgell dde. Y croesiad I gyfeiriad Ethan Jones! Ond I ergyd ymhell dros y traws. Digon o le gan Craig Walters yng nghanol y ca. Na chi bas ddeallus. A ma Vickers yn gynt na Jones. Vickers! O, Mills Evans rhywsut yn arbed yr ergyd gan Vickers. Ond mae'r bêl yn fyw o hyd ac wrth drod Vickers I gyfeiriad Liam Thomas arbediad da gan Dave Jones. Wel, yn gyda oll sut nath Mills Evans rwysro'r ergyd gan Vickers. Dwi'n amau iddo fe lithro wrth benio. Ac yna Liam Thomas, wel fel reol, byddwch chi'n disgwyl I Liam Thomas sgorio fyna. Gig hir lawr ca gan Idzi, ond yn rwydd I Mills Evans. Walters nawr i'r hen air. Chydig o le gan Hanbury ar yr asgell chwith. Yn I chodi I gyfeiriad Bowen! Luke Bowen yn rhoi Caerfyrddin ar y blaen. 10 munud cyn yr egwyl. A croesiad gan Hanbury, a peniad gan yr hen ben, Luke Bowen. Rediad cri gan Jordan Vickers. I gyfeiriad Morgan, fe'n ffigio Luke Bowen yn gwbl glir ac yn gwbl rhydd I sgorio I ail yn y gêm. Y croesiad gan Vickers. Ond y ffigiad gan Kerry Morgan yn creu'r lle I Luke Bowen ergydio gyda'i drod chwydd. Bowen. Yna chi bas ddeallus digonydd o le gan Luke Cummings ar yr asgell dde. Yn ôl I gyfeiriad Liam Thomas. Ac mae'n dair i'r hen air. Wel, roedd hi'n groesiad arbennig gan Luke Cummings. A dyw Liam Thomas ddim yn methu cyfleon fel yna.
I've said it a couple of times now, the team and how we play isn't going to change overnight. It's impossible to do that. So we're trying to change things slowly as we can, but obviously pick up points as we go. So we're happy with where we are and the progress that we're making.
From the one box to the other, I thought we were okay. I'm quite pleased, really. But we were a little bit sloppy in both boxes, and that's cost us. And credit to them because they took full advantage of it. And they show when you put good balls in the box and you attack it, that's what happens. But we've created opportunities. We've created them at 1-0, 2-0, and 3-0. Haven't taken them today, and that's probably the story of the game. And it's one of them. We did it at Llandudno, I think 2 weeks ago, where we didn't take opportunities, but we drew 0-0 and we defended really well. And we haven't done that today, and that's unfortunately cost us.
Tonight, you're sitting 5th in the league. How does that feel? I
don't look at league tables at this time. If we sit in 5th in the league table in the next couple of months, I'd be over the moon. But obviously at this early stage of the season, it does make a massive difference.
So you can look forward next week to play GYNGHRAIR away?
Yeah, absolutely. No, again, they'll bring a different challenge. A good team. They're not a great start, but good players, good team, good manager. So no, we go there with a bit of confidence and hopefully pick up points again.
Where we are after 5 games, we can be pleased with. I'm just frustrated and disappointed after the convincing performance last week that we haven't followed it up this week, and that's the frustration for everyone, really.
And next week against Caerfyrddin, it's going to be a challenge for you.
Well, it is, but it's one of them where you're playing the best side and one of the best sides in the league. Caerfyrddin away now is like TNS away in respects of over the years. It's a very difficult place to go. So it's kind of a game where nothing will be expected of us, and but we're going to have to play a lot better without the ball today, because if we don't, we'll get punished as we've done today.